It's the biggest convention to come through McCormick Place all year long, the International Manufacturing Technology Show. More than 90,000 attendees, nearly 2,000 companies showing off cutting-edge technology for the manufacturing sector. Now, this year, the show also included a job center to try to match up some of those employers with prospective skilled workers, something that these days is no easy task.
The people in this building are either looking for more talent, and they're looking for skilled talent, and or the skilled talent's coming in here saying, hey, where can I find the job that fits my skill levels?
Robert Lawson is the director of Michigan-based staffing agency Trillium CNC, which he said will post between 500 and 1,000 new manufacturing jobs just from companies that came through the center, many of which are in the Chicago area. Some he'll be able to help, but most will go unfilled because of a simple lack of qualified labor.
There is not an unemployment issue in this country. There really isn't. That's where I watch the politicians, and they're all talking about unemployment. We need more jobs. No. We have all the jobs we can handle. It's underskilled is what we're dealing with here. We went out and just made a couple of tours around. People saw our shirts, they knew who we were, and they're grabbing us saying, look, I need this, I need more servicemen. Maintenance, it's all kinds of maintenance. It's application loading, it's programming, it's pneumatics, hydraulics, a lot of the basics.
With a more local twist, Hyundai We America presented a state-of-the-art new CNC machine to the Humboldt Park Vocational Education Center at Chicago's Wilbur Wright College, one of 43 schools that applied for the donation. It's part of what the company says is a greater call to action to change students' perception about the manufacturing industry and the jobs that are waiting for the properly trained.
They come into a school, they see a very nice modern-looking machine with a modern CNC control. And then they realize how difficult it is to program it, but how exciting it is when you learn how to program a machine like this. If more students see this and they're, given the opportunity to understand it better, more students will pursue this as a career.
Among the other emerging processes on display at the IMTS included additive technology for machining, which uses a series of lasers to build parts from scratch instead of whittling them down in CNC machines from larger pieces that generate too much waste. It's one of many innovations that experts say will help production lines evolve moving forward.
You don't have to have tooling involved when you make your part. And secondly, it increases your design space. In other words, things that used to be restrictive in subtractive manufacturing has now been opened up. And so geometries the designers have been wanting to go and build can actually be realized today. Most of the industries that have been early adopters have been aerospace and medical and dental. We're starting to see a little bit more of acceptance with FDA approved for hip replacements, knee joints. Many more defense platforms are now taking high temperature polymers and metals into their infrastructure. So it's starting to gain some momentum, still in its early infancy, but we're getting there.